recording, and I'm going to work from here. All right.
Okay.
I'm going to want you to be this is the first one. I don't want first one, I want first two. All right. So we're going to be doing lesson 88. This is on page 604. This is kind of tricky. So that's why I'm going to record this. But in example number 2, on page 605, they've got somebody wanting to put carpet on a 16-foot by 9-foot room. Well, if you multiply those, you get 144 feet squared. But the problem is, carpet stores don't sell their carpeting by square feet. They sell it with square yards, all right? And so what you have to do is you have to convert it. And how are you going to do that? Because we have feet squared. And so what we end up doing is we end up multiplying it times 2 different unit multipliers that equal 1. And because we can think of 144 feet squared over 1, we're going to have to be able to cross cancel feet out twice. We have square feet. I'm not sure who's writing. And so we're going to convert it to yards. And in order for us to make this a 1, I've got to put 3 feet equals 1 yard, because 1 yard and 3 feet are the same as each other. So now this is actually an odd way of writing the number 1. All right? And so you do the same thing for this one. 1 yard, 3 feet. So what do you get? You just multiply your numbers across, and you're going to end up cross canceling some symbols. You're going to cross cancel the 2 feet symbols and end up with 144 on top, and the 1.2 times 3 is 9 on the bottom. You have to do the division. 144 divided by 9 is going to go.
Is this the one his screen?
I'm not sure who's doing it. 54, and that's going to be 9. So you're going to need 19 yards squared. That is your answer. All right. Now there's another problem. Example 4 is very similar, except that now you have 36 kilometers per hour, but they want meters per second. And so you're going to have to do unit multipliers in a slightly different way. You're still going to need to use 2 unit multipliers, each of which will equal 1. But here's the tricky part. I want to cross cancel kilometers out, so I have to put kilometers on the bottom. So what am I changing kilometers to? I'm changing kilometers to meters. So I'm going to put the meters on the top. So how do I make that fraction equal to 1? Well, I have to know how many meters 1 kilometer is. Well, it's 1,000. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So now I will be able to cross cancel the kilometer symbol out on both of those. And just have the meters, which is what I want. But the next thing is, how do I get rid of that hours? I want to be able to cross cancel the hours, so I have to put it on top because hours is on the bottom, and change it to seconds. Well, how many hours are in a second? How many seconds are in an hour? Is that what they want? They want per second? Example 4. No, I told that wrong. They want minutes. So that actually makes it easier. All right. They actually want minutes. So let's redo that as minutes. Okay. Well, we know how many minutes are in an hour. 60 minutes in 1 hour. So now I can cross cancel the hour symbol out. Now the only symbols I have left are minutes and miles. Now I have miles per minute. Let's multiply it out. 6 times 1,000, 36,000 divided by 60, because I've got nothing there, it's 60 there. That's
Yeet.
meters per minute. Well, what is 36,000 divided by 60? It is 6 with 600 meters per minute. Right? Now, your assignment is going to be on your course 2 Google Classroom. And the way I've set it up for you, and you can do it this way if you'd like. Let's look at Matthew's here. If you want to put it on Google Docs, you can just write your answers in right here. I'm going to ask you to practice that A, C, and E, and then the odd numbers like you usually do. If you don't want to do it like that, if you want to just do it on a piece of paper and take a picture of it and either stick it on this document or send it to me by email or text, that will work as well. All right? Any questions?
I'm confused on this whole lesson.
All right.
I missed like the first
Same.
part of the lesson. So I don't know what we're doing.
I
You weren't here to
literally
start
couldn't
with.
hear you, bro.
So, Katie, as soon as we're done, I'm going to,
Caleb, why?
you can look at it again.
Okay.
Did you catch that?
Yo, there's 2 Matthews in this thing.
Yeah, because Caleb is an idiot and put my name.
Yeah, all I can see is picture.
No. My brother logged into this before me, so.
Oh, okay, your brother's an idiot then.
Katie, did
Yeah.
Okay, but
Yeah.
iPhone.
you can rename yourself, bro.
Yeah, too much work.
iPhone.
Jacob.
so Katie, did you understand what I told you?
No.
I'm
Dude,
gonna
I can't
post,
even
I'm gonna
hear
post
you
this.
Do we leave or what?
Let me answer Katie's question. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and you can look at the whole lesson over again. And then if you have
Ooh,
questions,
3 mil on YouTube.
give me a call.
I am so
I'm confused. I can't even hear you, Mr. There's a guy that keeps on commenting on the video.
All right.
Jacob, chill.
I would talk.
confusion.
Wait, how do we turn this in?
The way you turn everything in on Classroom.
We have a medic. We're gonna play dodgeball, guys.
Let's play esports.
Yes.
1v1 me in FIFA, bruh.
I don't have FIFA.
Okay, guys. I may need to end up muting you all while I'm having a conversation with somebody. I'll post it. You can look at it again and then call me up if you need some more help, all right?
Wait,
What
what time
do
is
we
our
leave?
next class?
Okay, every morning at 10 is when we're going to do a general session. And then every morning at 10:40, I'm going to do course 2.
Wait, so we're not 11, we're 10:40 now?
I mean at 11, yeah, sorry.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
Wait,
So
but
we're
what
10,
about like
we're 11
o'clock? It's 11.
Okay, I'm
but, like,
out.
Okay, one at a time.
Class at 10 and a class at 11.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just happy to be here.
Bet, boys. Let's do this for the whole year.
I still don't get the math. Yeah.
All right, I'll post this on YouTube. If you have any questions, see me. I'm going to stop recording and
Peace, boy.